The Corporate Affairs Commission has made a public notice to delist 100,000 dormant companies out of the register of incorporated companies in Nigeria. Guys, you're welcome to today's Legal Gist, and I have some interesting gist for you. The Federal Inland Revenue Service (FIRS) has made a public notice that it will no longer issue tax exemption certificates to taxpayers at all levels, including pioneer status companies, non-governmental organizations, and entities that are operating in the free trade zone. In the public notice, the FIRS stated that its reason for this step is to ensure transparency and also ensure adequate compliance with the tax laws in Nigeria. It however stated that the tax exemption certificates that were issued before the public notice are still valid but would not be renewed upon its expiry. CAC has made a public notice that it would delist 100,000 dormant companies out of the register of incorporated companies in Nigeria. Some of these affected companies have failed to file their annual returns. They failed to comply with the regulations of CAC. Some have failed to disclose the person of significant control, while some have not carried on business for up to 10 years. CAC has, however, given these affected companies 90 days to regularize their status. So my advice to these affected companies is to reach out to their lawyers or any CAC accredited agent to help them in regularizing their status. Then the Federal High Court sitting in Ikoyi has convicted an ex-executive secretary of the National Health Insurance Scheme for making a payment that is above the 5 million naira threshold or limit that has been stipulated by the law. The court ruled that Mr. Olufemi Thomas, who is the ex-executive secretary of NHIS, should pay a fine of 10 million naira and banned him from traveling outside the country until the fine has been paid. Then finally, the Legal Practitioners Privileges Committee (LPPC) has shortlisted 57 legal practitioners for the status of Senior Advocate of Nigeria. These 57 legal practitioners are said to be exceptional in advocacy in courts or as academics who have contributed to the development of legal scholarship in Nigeria. So we say a big congratulations to these exceptional legal practitioners. So guys, that's all we have for you on today's Legal Gist. Please do well to like, to share, and drop your comments. Let's know your opinion on any of the legal gist. Thank you all.